How to change BuddyPress activity date format. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to change BuddyPress activity date format. By default, BuddyPress does not offer this feature, but we can achieve it with only few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp.custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Please copy a snippet from our GitHub page. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file. And then save it. Let's see the result. Now you can see the date format both on posts and comments has changed. Now friendship notifications is disabled. Members no longer